Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
In Part A, the market equilibrium occurs where marginal private benefit equals marginal private cost. Based on the graph, this intersection occurs at a price
of $15 and a quantity of 300 units. In Part B, deadweight loss arises because the market underproduces due to a positive externality. Where MSB equals MSC, the deadweight loss is the area of the triangle between MSB and MSC from 300 to 400, 0. 300 times 25 minus 15 equals 500, so deadweight loss equals $500. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.